So hello guys, a quick market review. So I just want to be fast on this video. I want to show you guys what I'll be looking at for tomorrow in these two pair. So we're going to be looking at GBPJPY and also GBPNZD. Now for GBPJPY guys, we have a complete pullback. All right, this pullback here, and when I say complete pullback, what do I mean? Let me just show you guys. If you notice, this was our higher low before we broke structure to create a higher high. All right. And if we take our Fibonacci tool and we measure from that high to the lower low, you see that we go below 50%. All right. And after going below 50%, we have some form of liquidity here. If I should zoom out, you will see it. This liquidity, and we're able to take that out. As you can see today, we break structure, which we did yesterday. And when I analyzed the market as yesterday, I told you guys that two things will happen. That with the way the price actually closed out yesterday, the price may not come down. That's they might practically maybe break above and we may see a pullback. So that is what I'm actually expecting. All right, because for all I can tell you, if I should go to the higher time frame, like let's say the weekly, this pair is coming to this high, so come and take this high out. All right, that is where we are heading, and currently we are somewhere around here. All right, so I can tell you for a fact that price will take out this high, and we're going to be coming to create a double high on this particular pair. So if you move to the 4-hour time frame, you will see that. All right, so you can see that high there, but price is coming to this very high to create a double top. Now if I should zoom in better, all right, you will see that we don't really have anything much that we practically hold this price apart from just I want to zoom out and mark where we're going to have some form of pullback. All right, so here. Price is going to give us some form of pullback here after we broke above this high. So let's come back here and see. All right, as you guys can see here. So when we trade to create a double high here, we're going to have some form of pullback and we're going to come here. All right, but this is where price is coming at the moment first. So price is coming here to create a higher high. All right, external higher high, remember that. And this particular lower low will serve as our lower high, our higher low. All right, just the way we have this higher low before we create a higher high, we have this complete pullback giving us a higher low, and we're going to be seeing what a higher high created. So price is coming to take out this higher high to create a higher high. Then we're going to have some form of pullback. After that pullback, we're going to see price come to create a higher high on the weekly time frame. All right, so that is what I'm actually expecting. So I'm looking for a buy opportunity on GBPJPY to create a new higher high. All right, so I want to see price pull back to maybe fill this fair value gap that we have here, or this week. All right, fill it, and when I see that happen tomorrow, definitely I'm going to be taking a buy trade. All right, so that is for GBPJPY, and I want us to look at GBPNZD. I don't know, my network is a bit poor, but let me switch the network to another network. And so I hope this one will be better. What is happening? Okay, so you guys remember we have a sell on SND earlier this week, and we hit full TP, and after we broke structure here, price pull back and we create a double bottom here. Now what I'm actually expecting is, if I could see price give us a pullback to this level, I'm definitely going to be selling from there, because for me on the higher time frame on NZD, GBPNZD, we're actually coming to, let me show you guys on the daily time frame. Now notice what we did on the daily time frame. Before price broke this structure here at this time, all right, we broke structure and price left this liquidity here, which is that low. All right, so I believe price is going to be coming as much as this low even, because we're going to be really having a massive sell on GBPNZD. Why do I say so? This was the low, all right, that creates this higher high that we have here. Now notice, before we break to create a higher high, we have this liquidity, we have these ones. So all this liquidity like this, price is going to take them out. Let me just show you guys something. All these places we see here, this move here. So price is going to come and trade below this trend line. We'll see price trade all the way, taking it out. So price will first break above that level, then we'll have a retest maybe to somewhere here, and we drop to this level. So it's around this level that we may see a shift of market structure that will automatically take price up. So now, before we get to all this level, all right, we're going to have some sort of pullback at this level. Notice when we break below this level, we're going to have pullback. We're going to have pullback. When price break here on the daily, we're going to have pullback, and we're going to sell to continue. So I'm going to be looking out for sell opportunity on this pair till we get to that level, because I strongly believe we're going there. But I'm not targeting all this distance for now. What I'm actually looking at for is this immediate level. All right, so if I'm looking at for that immediate level, if price could pull back to this level for me, that would be a good one, and I'll target here for TP. All right, target here for TP, doing 1 to 2. So let me delete all these lines. I don't want this chart to be too messy. All right, love keeping it simple. So if price could give us this and go back and take it out, then we'll get shift of market structure, retest, and we set to target here. But with the way the price closed, I don't know if price is going to give us this opportunity. So we just have to wait for market to actually, open by tomorrow and see what will possibly happen. So if you've seen this video for the first time on my channel, I would like you to actually subscribe. I do this here most of the time, and you'll be glad you actually subscribe to my future videos to come. So guys, have a wonderful day. Like, share, leave your comments, and see you guys on my next video.